Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here, the integral from -4 to -1 of a -4 over x cubed dx, and we have to evaluate this definite integral. Now, we want to find the integral here, so the integral of a -4 over x cubed is, hopefully you can do this, a 2 over x squared. And I like to find, plus c, but we'll get to that in a second. I like to rewrite this to be x to the -3rd power to really see it, but our integral here is 2 over x squared. Now we're integrating this from our a to b value, so from -4 to -1, right there. Okay, all right. That is equal to our f of b minus our f of a. So that's going to be the f, capital F being the derivative here, of a -1 minus an f of a and -4. This makes it a little easier to see just kind of what we're doing here, plugging it in. So let's go do that. We're going to plug -1 into our function. Brackets here, 2 over a -1 squared. Subtracted by, we'll plug -4 in for x. 2 over a -4 squared. All right? I've done the hard work for you. Well, not really that hard here. 2 over -1 squared is a 2, minus, and 2 over -4 squared is a 1/8. 2 minus 1/8 is a 15/8, is just algebra, which is equal to a 1.875. So our final answer here, depending if you want a fraction or decimal, of our integral from -4 to -1 of our function is a 15 over 8, or which is equal to a 1.875. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.